Q3613. When flying HAWK N666CB, the proper phraseology for initial contact with McAlester Flight Services? A. McAlester Radio, HAWK 666 Charlie Bravo, receiving Ardmore VORTAC, over. B. McAlester Station, HAWK 666CB, receiving Ardmore VORTAC, over. C. McAlester Flight Service Station, HAWK November 6 Charlie Bravo. The correct answer is A. McAlester Radio, HAWK 666 Charlie Bravo, receiving Ardmore VORTAC, over. When making initial contact with a flight service station or air traffic control facility, it is important to provide your aircraft's call sign, followed by the facility's name or identifier. In this case, McAlester Radio is the appropriate identifier for the facility. Next, state your aircraft's call sign, using the phonetic alphabet if necessary. In this example, the call sign is HAWK 666 Charlie Bravo. Finally, provide relevant information such as the navigation aid you are receiving, in this case, the Ardmore VORTAC. Using proper phraseology ensures clear communication and helps air traffic control and flight service personnel quickly identify and respond to your request or report. 3614. The correct method of stating 4,500 feet MSL to ATC is A. 4,500, B. 4.5, C. 4,500 feet MSL. The correct answer is A. In this phraseology, each digit is stated separately, followed by the word thousand to indicate thousands of feet. The word 500 is then used to indicate the remaining 500 feet. By stating the altitude in this manner, it eliminates any confusion and ensures accurate understanding by ATC. Using correct phraseology is crucial for effective communication in aviation, as it helps to maintain safety and prevent misunderstandings between pilots and air traffic controllers. 3615. The correct method of stating 10,500 feet MSL to ATC is A. 10,500 feet, B. 10.5, C. 10,500. The correct answer is C. 10,000 refers to 10,000 feet. In aviation communication, the number 10 is pronounced as 10 to avoid confusion with other numbers. 500 indicates the additional 500 feet above the 10,000-foot mark. By stating the altitude in this manner, pilots can convey the exact altitude to ATC in a standardized and easily understandable format. This helps ensure accurate communication and promotes safety in the airspace system. 3998. When should pilots state they're on the airport when calling the tower for takeoff? A. When visibility is less than mile. B. When parallel runways are in use. C. When departing from a runway intersection. The correct answer is C. When pilots are calling the tower for takeoff, they should state their position on the airport if they are departing from a runway intersection. This is important information for the air traffic controller to know, as it helps them to accurately identify the aircraft's location and coordinate traffic movements on the airport surface. Stating the position on the airport becomes particularly relevant when there are multiple runway intersections in use or when parallel runways are being utilized. By providing their specific position, pilots assist the tower in efficiently sequencing departures and ensuring safe separation between aircraft. It's worth noting that stating the position on the airport may not be necessary in all situations, such as when departing from the end of the runway or when using a designated departure point. Pilots should follow the instructions and procedures provided by the local air traffic control facility for the specific airport they are operating from. 3605-1. As standard operating practice, All inbound traffic to and without a control tower should continuously monitor the appropriate facility from a distance of A. 25 miles, B. 20 miles, C. 10 miles. The correct answer is C. As standard operating practice, all inbound traffic to an airport without a control tower should continuously monitor the appropriate facility from a distance of 10 miles. This means that pilots should tune in and listen to the designated frequency or communication source for the airport well in advance of their arrival. By monitoring the appropriate facility from a distance of 10 miles, pilots can become familiar with the current traffic and any relevant information being communicated by other aircraft or the facility itself. This allows them to stay informed about the airport environment and adjust their flight and approach accordingly. It's important for pilots to maintain good situational awareness and be prepared for any updates or changes in traffic or airport conditions as they approach the airport. Continuous monitoring of the appropriate facility helps to enhance communication, safety, and coordination between pilots operating in the vicinity of the airport.